The future is a vast canvas awaiting the strokes of the imaginative. You, the dreamers, innovators, and creators, have always been the pioneers of evolution. As the sands of time shift, we find ourselves at the crossroads of a new epoch, where the essence of human creativity intertwines with the precision of artificial intelligence. Journey with us through this digital odyssey, where every brushstroke is a testament to yesterday's legacy and tomorrow's promise. Your imagination, fueled by the accelerator of artificial intelligence, is the driving force. As time travelers in our own right, we navigate the past, present, and future corridors, drawing inspiration and forging previously uncharted paths. Embrace this journey, harness the tools of tomorrow, and let the tales of countless adventures guide your hand. The cosmos is your canvas, and the sands of time await your imprint. The future beckons, and you are its chosen architect. The digital realm before you is a playground for innovation, where ideas can be molded, refined, and brought to astonishing life. The only limits are those that we set upon ourselves. AI is not to be shunned, but embraced. As we tear down these barriers and reinvent what it means to be an artist. But creation is not a solitary pursuit. It is through the collaboration that we elevate each other to heights unachievable alone. Find your kindred spirits, those who fan the flames of your inspiration. Together, write the myths and legends of tomorrow. The sands of time are shifting, introducing us to uncharted landscapes. But fear not, for you have gifts no algorithm can replace: imagination, passion, and a drive to build what has never been. This is our time. So dream, expand, explore, wield the tools before you with wisdom and vision. Create fearlessly and proudly leave your mark on the drifting dunes of time. The cosmos awaits your canvas. The future awaits your vision. Step forward boldly, pioneers of imagination. The timeline to your future creative. Creativity from the future. Subscribe today.